Nursery cartoon love journey with Hurram.
One, there you is mine. In a meadow lush and green, where the sun did brightly shine, lived 5 ducks, Daisy, Dilly, and Dewey, sweet as wine. With Donald bold and dear old Dottie waddling side by side, they quacked their songs of joy together, hearts forever tied. One day while splashing in the stream beneath the willow's grace, they heard a rumble from the hills, a most peculiar space. With feathers fluffed and eyes wide open, they looked up in surprise. A dinosaur came trotting down with kind yet fearful eyes. "Roar," said Rex with gentle tones that echoed through the glade. "I'm just a lonely creature here, I've come to join your parade." The ducks exchanged bewildered looks. Could this be really true? A dinosaur so big and grand, what on earth would he do? "Oh dear," said Daisy with a flutter, "you're far too large to play. We love to splash in little ponds, we quack our cares away." But Dilly ducked behind her friend, she felt a twinge of fear. "What if you stomp upon our home? What if you draw too near?" Yet Rex just knelt down softly, so his gaze met theirs anew. "I've walked alone for many moons, oh how I long for you, to dance among the flowers bright or swim beneath the sky. I yearn for laughter shared and friendship's warmth, for company I burn." With cautious steps but hearts aflame, those ducks then drew him near. Together they began to laugh, their worries disappeared. They waddled round like little stars beneath that azure dome. 5 ducks plus 1 grand dinosaur made magic feel like home. They played in puddles after rain while splashes flew like dreams. Rex learned to quack, a rumbling sound that echoed through their gleams. He taught them how to swing their tails and reach up high for leaves. In turn they showed him tender games, he laughed till he could wheeze. As twilight wrapped its golden arms around their joyful spree, the sky aglow with colors rare that danced so wild and free. 5 feathery friends beside their giant friend, now strong. Each heart was woven into bonds where once they did not belong. So if you find 5 ducks at play or hear a roar nearby, remember friendship knows no bounds, it stretches wide as sky. In meadows lush or mountains higher, wherever dreams take flight, there's room enough for all who seek companionship's delight.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hurram.